megalayapost.news.
Kadebra marang working president jong keseng kongres hak jelang kalater juriak sorkar jelang halor kejing pendu internet kabashite lenter harilum garu kawlawan ra aya kejing ye shikadei ki kam kai pateng ki khana school ka kot ka kya ki bang bat kiwi bat berthan badai ban penim biang mardor yak internet klam da pendu shu hakipor bandangwan ngarang shu jingtip mentan bakila penim biang yak internet laung kadebra da ka babanrap hakabakum gani ka juk ka bamenta onamla satyaban le ai klam ka internet bat kala de kejing don kam ka bhak mat e kadebra kala ongru nong khayi hatura William naga bakmara banot gar hills kilamat ya kejing du nong ka bakraw na kejing thut hakakam siu pisa pilan bat shalan ya kimar kimata kat baki khna school pan ki ha bandu ki online class bat kejing tip ki bayde bat ki examine ki jongki kalong ru bagas ngothu e bahabadon kanu kejing thut haka shongsuk shongsan ban khang ya internet kumbada ki kenta ne ka tu kanisngi henry ban sukhangsa palatayo kalalong ka bapalan bat kani ka bu dak jingkali ka bakraw ya ka sanshar ka khadar shushu kalong bagajing teng ya kejing khang internet kadai ka bamla satya ban pedang na baka ktajur gi pajba balului par bakam dei satya banja haka jala meghalaya bat kantu ka sarkar bakum kini gi jingle kim dei shu bandang jabyang hakipor ki bandangwan
the Congress Party. Today we address the media on behalf of the Garo people, where internet services have been shut down for than a week. But I was learned just now. Now I think they're getting the internet. Whatever may be the case, this prolonged disruption has caused widespread inconvenience and hardship across all sections of society in Garo Hills, we all know. And just imagine in this era, one cannot stay without internet. Internet access is not a luxury today, we all know, but a necessity. The absence of internet connectivity is severely hampering businesses, because we have businesses in Garo Hills, especially Tura, William Nagar, Bakmara, and North Garo Hills. Daily wage earner, even the wage earner, they have a phone nowadays, and traders are facing financial losses, we all know, due to disrupted payment system and supply chains. Government offices, private offices, both public sectors, all of them have been significantly affected. Mainly, we all know, today students are unable to access online classes. How much it affect them? Study materials, examination updates, putting their education at risk. Health services and emergency communication, its effect, all of them. Putting lives at risk, those who are sick in the hospital, those who really need urgent doctor attention. These are very much concern to the Congress Party. That is why we are here, and we wanted to put a message across Garo Hills. Banking services, we all know, we need banking services, have been disrupted, causing inconvenience to the general public, to the business people. We all know it. Prolonged shutdown not only cause inconvenience to the citizen, but also hinder economic growth, transparency, and the free flow of information. Law and order situations are not uncommon and occur in many states across the country. And we all know now, even across the world, in such instances, temporary restriction for an hour or even 2-3 days, we understand it. However, extending internet shutdown for more than a week is excessive and raises serious question about governance and decision making. From the party side, from Congress party, we strongly today urge upon the government to restore the internet. The continuation of suspension unjustified, affecting the innocent people. That's why I think it is high time for the government to restore the internet. But we are learned just now, some people, family member, they call up from Garo Hills that they have restored the internet. But how long? It should continue. And for small matters, this type of prolonged disruption should not be there in the state of Meghalaya. There is no such calculation. Definitely it affected for the business people, for everyone, as I have said. So there is a losers, obviously.
MeghalayaPost.news